Welcome to Homipedia. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on crafting a stunning collection of modern urban front yard concepts for Mediterranean houses. In this video, we'll explore innovative approaches to integrate geometric landscaping, outdoor spaces, and lush greenery, creating captivating and functional landscapes that embody the essence of contemporary Mediterranean architecture. Starting with the fundamentals, we delve into the design principles that define modern urban front yards. Start by researching and understanding the core principles of Mediterranean architecture and landscaping. Focus on elements like terracotta, stucco, wrought iron, and vibrant colors like azure blue and earthy tones. Incorporate geometric shapes in the design. Utilize clean lines, symmetry, and geometric patterns in pathways, hardscapes, and planting beds to create a modern and structured look. Carefully choose plants native to Mediterranean climates for your greenery. Opt for drought-tolerant species like olive trees, lavender, rosemary, succulents, and bougainvillea. These not only fit the aesthetic but also require less maintenance. Designate different functional areas within the yard. Include seating areas, perhaps with a pergola or shade structure, outdoor kitchen spaces, or fire pits, blending relaxation and entertainment. Consider minimalist water features like fountains or small ponds to add a soothing element to the design, enhancing the Mediterranean ambience. Benefits of this design approach are: the first is the blend of geometric elements with Mediterranean aesthetics creates a visually appealing and modern look, enhancing the curb appeal and overall beauty of the property. Second, Mediterranean plants are often drought-resistant, reducing the need for excessive watering and maintenance, which is beneficial in conserving water and time. The last benefit is creating defined outdoor spaces increases the utility of the front yard, providing areas for relaxation, entertainment, and social gatherings. The challenge of creating this design are: first, designing and implementing a modern urban front yard with intricate geometric landscaping might involve higher initial costs due to materials and design considerations. Second, while Mediterranean plants are generally low maintenance, some may still require care, especially during extreme weather conditions or seasons, posing a minor maintenance challenge. Third and the last is, achieving a seamless integration of geometric landscaping with the Mediterranean house might require expertise and meticulous planning, which could be challenging for DIY projects. Throughout the video, we'll highlight real-world examples and case studies, offering practical insights and inspirations from existing urban landscapes that successfully blend geometric landscaping with Mediterranean house design. Join us on this journey as we unlock the secrets to creating a collection of modern urban front yard concepts for Mediterranean houses, blending geometric landscaping, inviting outdoor spaces, and lush greenery to redefine your home's exterior aesthetics.